Hi, and welcome to a short video that I've put together for you to give you a tour of the Classifieds app in your OneLaunch desktop search application. So, online classifieds are something that a lot of us use on a daily, on a weekly, on a monthly basis to either sell things that we want to sell and post publicly online, or buy things that we're looking for. These could be things around the house, sporting goods. These could be, rental properties. We're trying to rent. All sorts of things, as we know, are listed for sale and purchase on the classifieds every single day. So we wanted to build a quick and easy app to get you to those online digital classifieds as quickly and efficiently as possible. So we did just that. As always, you can click the gray plus icon top left on your OneLaunch desktop dock where it says additional apps. As you hover over it, give that a click, and the Classifieds app is on the fourth row in the first column. Simply click it to pin it to the OneLaunch dock. You can see right away it's now pinned to my OneLaunch dock. You're able to hover over it to see Classifieds. If the icon is not obvious or intuitive enough for you, you can right-click it and show the label of Classifieds. You can right-click again to hide that label. Either way, whether labeled or not, a quick click will open up the Classifieds app. So like I told you, it's just a very quick app to get you to online classifieds quite quickly and efficiently. We've looked at some of the top classified sites in the US, and that's what we've listed here at the bottom. Locanto, Craigslist, and Oodle. You're able to click through to them to open them up immediately in the OneLaunch Chromium browser. Additionally, if you'd like to pin one of them to the dock, simply click the little box top right here. You can see there I pinned it, pinned Craigslist, pinned Oodle. Eventually the dock fills up, so you can see additional apps are pinned here. You can see Oodle there. You're able to right click and unpin if it's just getting a bit too packed. So those are quick links, but then additionally we've got we've got the search option, and we've chosen to search classifiedads.com. So that's where the search function lives. If you don't like classifiedads.com, you're able to just search within some of the other sites. But here we've got the postal code for the New York area. If it's not present, you'll have to enter your postal code where you want to search. And let's just, for example, say hockey skates. Click Find Classifieds or hit Enter. And up on classifiedads.com, we'll see a bunch of options for hockey skates. New in box, airwalk inline skates, and all sorts of relevant answers to that query, to that question for hockey skate related classified ads. So that's it in brief. It's very quick, easy to use. The queries go to classifiedads.com with quick links to some of the other top classified sites in the US. I hope that this is relevant and useful for you and gets you where you need to go to either buy items that you're looking for online, maybe used and maybe at a discount, or selling some items or some services online as well via the classifieds. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope you're enjoying OneLaunch. As always, if you have any ideas for us to improve OneLaunch overall or the classified app in general, feel free to email us at support@onelaunch.com. Thanks for watching.